Yep, we're still here at the NATDA in 2025. I guess it's the 18th year, and I was original founder, so I'm always hanging out here every year. For this, it's not a convention, it's a trailer show, but it's really cool. But I'm here with Randy Lewis of Hillsboro, Kansas.
Hillsboro, Kansas, and now Newton, Kansas, with our new plant opening up.
Oh my goodness, another plant. They're kicking them out. And you guys how long you guys been in business?
Next year will be our 60th year in business.
60s, man, they're way up there with all the elites. But that's what this is, and so their trailers are here, and they've got flatbeds. They're big in the truck flatbeds, and we're going to see what we can see here, and then later on do another review in Kansas. So come join us for our review.
Our hauler, available from 16 foot to 24 foot. We've got a unique industry-first clear see-through aero guard, because everyone hauls their high-priced whatever on the back, cars, Corvettes, tractors, collector cars. They want to be able to see what's behind them.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah,
I've had
so this is great.
Yeah, I've had one with a diamond deck on the front, and it gets
you can't
pitted.
see what you're hauling.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Yeah.
You got giant toolboxes on the front.
Toolboxes, yep.
Oh, man.
Spare tire toolbox combination.
Can't get big enough toolboxes anymore. You have to carry everything
Got
on the
a tray
road.
in there.
Well, that's cool. I like that.
And
this
then,
is how long?
This one here is an 18 foot, comes standard on 3.5K axles at 7.5 foot long ramp standard.
Wow.
So you can put a Corvette on here without needing ramp extensions.
Well, that's good. That's good. And the fenders come off.
Fenders come off. Yep.
Yeah, on a Corvette or something, you have to take that off to open the door.
Actually, you don't.
Oh, you don't?
Nope.
Wow, they're low fenders.
It's low profile enough. Yep.
Oh, that's awesome. All the tie downs down.
Yep.
D-rings, the good ones. Okay, cool.
And then here is our new Endura XD model we're introducing here. The Endura product line has been around for 30 years this next year.
Yeah.
And this is our XD, capable of GVW ratings up to 40,000 pounds.
Holy cow, 3 axles. Yeah, that's about
40 foot long. That's what this one is. We actually painted this one blue for marketing reasons, and we're going to keep it as a show unit and have it in our museum eventually. So front has 2 front float gates in it with a fixed rear gate.
Oh, good. Yeah, that's good. They roll all the way down there. You make them whatever size you want.
Yep.
That's cool. Didn't you guys make one like this for ATVs fit in the front?
You can put an ATV up front, this wide side door, correct.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you guys are very unique how these things, do you stack them on top of each other?
Well, they're tubular horizontal wall construction. We eliminate most of the uprights, which makes a clean, smooth, easy to clean interior.
That's true, and you have to clean the manure off behind each bar.
All the posts, yep.
Yeah. Well, that is, my goodness,
so
that's a big
2026 is going to be our 60th year in business. We're excited. Here's a picture of our new production facility opening up in Newton, Kansas on September 29th.
Wow, I should be there for the grand opening, shouldn't I?
The grand opening will be next spring.
Oh, yeah.
On our 60th anniversary.
Cool.
We're going to have a grand opening.
Well, that'd be good. This is just such a big trailer. Let me look at the back end of this thing. And you got the slide-out vinyls. These all
slide-out plexiglass. Yep.
Plexiglass is awesome.
So yeah, this is our Endura XD model.
Is this 8 feet wide? It's got small fenders.
7.5 inside.
Oh, yes.
We're a true width manufacturer. So when we say it's 7 wide or 7.5 wide, that's true dimensions. Cool. A lot of companies don't do that.
And what's this, a man gate, or what's this for?
Another escape door. I can't open it because it might hit the truck bed here.
Oh, yeah.
One huge feature on an Endura trailer by Hillsboro is the slam latch.
Oh, awesome. You got your butterfly latch there.
There's no cam locks to fight.
Wow.
And then look at our heavy-duty hinges on the rear. 4 8-inch hinges.
My goodness, the bulls run right into that
and look how clean on the inside that trailer is.
Oh, yeah.
Easy to clean.
You got beveled fenders so that it slides off. That is cool. I love it, having the track that moves. Because you never know how much you're going to have. And with cattle, you got to pack them in there tight, or they run all over the place.
Correct. Yep.
They don't want to sit
And we do
still.
little things like we build out the rubber bumper.
Yeah.
2 inches, and the extrusion comes over the top.
Oh,
Place for the cattle to step safely, and even me and you.
Well, that's cool. I'm usually they just stick out.
Yep.
And you start peeling them off. That's pretty awesome. Wow. You got pretty thick posts back here.
Heavy duty. Yep. So between the hinges and the rotary slam latch and the gate landing on that true rear frame never moves.
Well, that's good. That's good. Yeah, because cattle keep getting bigger.
Yep.
And you'll haul buffalo in this. Three giant hinges and LEDs, of course. And what's the roof made? Is it aluminum?
Aluminum. Yep.
Is that one piece?
One piece roof, yep.
Yeah. Cool, you got a good angle on the bow so the water runs off and everything.
Water and snow comes off pretty easily.
Yeah. I was always amazed how you stack your metal on the side or your aluminum. And that's very strong. You guys have been doing that for years.
30 years this next year.
Yeah, I thought, you know, you guys are the only one doing it, and it's a special thing, and it works for you guys.
Yep.
That's great.
Customers love it.
Yeah, I bet so. You're very competitive with all the other traders out there.
These are 3 8Ks, but you can put 3 10s on it.
Okay, cool. Well, that's awesome. And of course, the torsion axles.
Torsion axles.
It looks like you got hydrogen in the tires.
Yep. No, it's
nice looking wheels.
It's a premium product. It's a commercial truck bed world for the ranchers, farmers, construction people.
Awesome. This is a combination of steel and
this is our hybrid.
Yeah.
Steel and aluminum. Then we got all aluminum. Then we got also all steel.
Cool.
Heavy duty that's built to last a lifetime.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we do a lot of commercial truck beds, tall boxes, toolboxes, you name it.
And I do like your flatbeds. I've had one on all my trucks, and it's always a place to stack more toolboxes and welders.
And this is a newer model. It's a tall box up front.
Yeah.
So you could have settling tanks. This one's got a shelf in it, a lot more storage.
Oh, yeah.
Especially for the agricultural world and the construction world, they take a lot of tools.
That's true. I used to have a custom hay business, and I had welders and torches and
all
air
that stuff.
compressors. Yeah.
Yep.
Well, that's awesome. Toolboxes on the side. I always
built-in
like that.
toolboxes, integrated hitch,
is this
tie downs on the side.
What is this?
Pardon?
Is this an 8-footer or what is it?
It's made for a 60-inch dually cab chassis truck.
Okay. Wow, and you got a hidden ball in there.
Yeah, hidden ball, pull goosenecks. Yep.
All the LED lights. Yeah, these are nice.
And then we got a line of open utility trailers that we've had for several years. It has some premium features. One of the biggest features is on the back is an anti-rattle tailgate. Pretty much everybody in the industries, if you run across a railroad track, you're going to rattle to death.
Well, they do. Bumper traders do that.
This is anti-rattle.
Well, that's awesome. That is cool. Load up all your lawnmowers and your ATVs and go to town.
All the toys, yep.
Well, that is so cool.
Yep. Well, Hillsboro's been around, like I said, for 60 years this next year. We're an innovator. We have premium products, and we're a company that's going to stand behind our product and here for the long run.
Well, that's cool. And here in Kansas, it's got to be a good place to manufacture.
Yep, got a great workforce, and we're going to be adding additional people with our Newton facility here shortly. So
awesome. Now, what's this box?
It's our super door box. Most companies, all they have an opening, small opening.
Right.
We call it the super door, so they can get larger tools in them.
Well, that makes it easy. Wow. So is your balls underneath the door, they rated for 30,000?
30,000. Our rear hitch is 25,000.
Well, that's
We've got
2.5 inch, isn't it?
integrated camera locations.
Oh.
So all they have to do is put the camera in.
Well, that's cool. Is that a 3-inch ball or is
2.5 with a reducer? Yep.
Okay. Cool. And you got tie downs right close to it. So many places the tie downs for your safety chains are hard to get into from the factory. We're always complaining about that.
Yep.
When we do factory reviews. Awesome. Pretty cool. Looks like you make just about everything.
Make a little bit of everything. Yep.
Yeah. That'd be awesome. A one place to go shopping. One stop. That's pretty great. Well, thanks, Randy. I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you. Known you a long time, and actually I've been to all 18 of the NATDA conventions all across the country in my lifetime. So,
well, that's true. We're close by. I missed one.
Okay.
For some reason, but yeah, and I was at the Texas show with my own
Texas,
booth.
yep.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yep.
Well, great. Well, I hope you have a good show.
Yeah, it's been great so far. Thank you.
You bet. Thank you.